What's the worst automation failure we've had?
Oh, the time a booking cancellation script ran in production and actually canceled real customer bookings.
Sara, I ran our regression suite today, and 14 tests failed. I'm not sure if I broke something or if the tests just had a meltdown.
That's the thing with automation. When it fails, it doesn't always leave a note. It's our job to figure out why.
Okay, what are the usual suspects?
Plenty. UI changes, unstable environments, network delays, bad test data, expired credentials, even flaky locators that depend on page load timing.
So how do we avoid being blindsided?
Start with categorizing failures. Was it an environment issue, a script issue, or did the system under test actually have a bug?
Right now, they all just show up as red in Jenkins.
That's why we add logs, screenshots, and timestamps. It's like a black box for each test run. The more you log, the faster you debug.
And what about flaky tests? One pass, one fail, no changes in between.
That's the worst. We isolate them, mark them as unstable, move them out of the main pipeline, and fix them before they corrupt confidence.
Kind of like grounding a plane until maintenance clears it.
Exactly. We also use retry logic for critical tests, but never as a crutch. A retry should confirm flakiness, not hide real bugs.
What's the worst automation failure we've had?
Oh, the time a booking cancellation script ran in production and actually canceled real customer bookings.
No way.
We fixed it fast. Now we isolate prod tests from destructive actions and use mock accounts wherever possible.
Lesson learned. Treat automation with the same caution as production code.
Bingo! Automation brings value only when it's trustworthy. We build that trust through good logging, error handling, and risk mitigation. Next episode, we'll wrap up the architecture chapter by showing how to assess and improve the effectiveness of your test automation. Because what gets measured, gets managed. Thanks for watching with us here at TestTactix, where testers come to upskill, innovate, and succeed. Whether you're automating your first test, scaling a framework, or exploring new tools, this journey is just getting started. Subscribe for more tutorials, tool walkthroughs, QA career tips, and straight-up testing wisdom, delivered with clarity and no fluff.
And don't forget to like, comment, and hit the bell, unless you want Sara to automate a reminder into your CI/CD pipeline.
Got questions? Drop them in the comments. Want to go deeper? Head to TestTactix.com for coaching, resources, and the community you've been waiting for. Until next time, keep testing smart and stay curious.